Welcome back to Twirl Craft Studios. I'm so excited to have you here. Today we're doing a fun DIY, which are the daisy coasters. And I found out the hard way that if you have light colored napkins, use the light colored clay, because I first did this DIY with the terracotta clay and it really didn't look good at all. So the light colored clay, self-drying clay, works so much better with these daisies. My technique, I tried using the water instead of Mod Podge before I put on the napkins, and it just didn't work. And I don't know, I ripped it and everything. So I really like using the technique with the Mod Podge first, and you put it around the sides and the top. And then after, before you lift it up, I just put a little layer of Mod Podge on the napkins, on the top of the napkins to hold them in place. Um, I tried a few techniques of actually putting the napkins on before I cut the circles, and that seemed to have ripped my napkins. So that one didn't work for me. So this is the best technique that I found, is first make the circles and then put the napkins on. I loved this DIY. It was just so fun to do. Each time I did one, I got better and I tried different techniques, and I am showing you the technique that just worked the best for me. One of the four, I did rip the napkin, and so what I decided to do was to put another napkin on top. And if you can see on the top left, or is that the top right hand corner, you can see that it looks a little bit wonky. That's because there's two napkins and they didn't line up. The daisies didn't line up. Also, with this trick of hot gluing the rope around it, I found the best technique was first to close the loop of the ropes before you actually glued it to the coasters. It looks less messy. What kind of projects have you done with this self-drying clay? I love that I discovered the self-drying clay. I do usually use macrame and copper and wood with self-drying clay, but these coasters are a really fun idea, and I thought they would make really good gift ideas. Just handmade small gift ideas. I think they turned out pretty well. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.